When I say divorce rates go up after divorce reform, relative to what? What's my benchmark? The course is called Econometric Data Science. I want them to learn how to use econometric tools to identify and estimate causal effects. And this time series dimension means we should be worried about what econometric problem, Fabian? Causal questions are the most challenging questions in life and economics. You ask yourself, what if I had done something differently? How would my life have come out? We're looking at the effects of state alcohol legislation. Econometrics is not abstract. There's a domain of scholarship that involves econometric theory, which is abstract and mathematical, and it involves the manipulation of models. But at the pointy end of all that is real data and real questions. So we began class this morning by looking at the question of whether states that lowered their minimum legal drinking age from 21 to 18 saw increased mortality as a result among young people.
Why would you expect a change in the deaths before you actually institute the rule change in 1975?
I started using an iPad years ago. Tau 1 year post-reform is... I'm showing tables and figures. Time on the axis. This is plotted only for plus or minus 15. But I'm also doing theoretical derivations, and I can just do that nicely in parallel. I'm always facing the students. They're always engaging with me and with each other and with my material. So delta DST is a switch that turns on when I reform. That's gratifying to know that my students like what I'm doing. So I'm happy to learn that there's some, at least, that are benefiting and enjoying what I'm doing.